Here at Breaking at 10, the Economic Offences Wing of the Mumbai Crime Branch has arrested Tarak Bajpai, the Chief Operating Officer of Speak Asia. Now, Bajpai was taken into custody by the Crime Branch officials at around 2 a.m. from Indore. He is now being brought to Mumbai. Speak Asia is being investigated for multi-level fraud, with many FIRs and PILs having been filed against it. Speak Asia Online will be inspected under Section 591 of the Companies Act, which is applicable on companies incorporated outside India and that have established a place of business within the country. The Singapore-based company is under fire for its pyramid scheme that involves paid subscribers filling up online consumer survey forms. Speak Asia also faces charges that some of the companies intended to benefit from its surveys have not even employed it. The move comes just 2 days after the company's bank accounts were frozen. The money flow of Speak Asia is also being closely looked into.
Just listen to me, all Speak Asians.
Alright, so that's the latest that's coming in from the front of Speak Asia. The heat has been turned on this online consumer survey company once again. The COO of Speak Asia, Tarak Bajpai, has been arrested from Indore in the latest development, and not just him, 4 other officials of Speak Asia have also been arrested. They are being brought to Mumbai as we speak for further investigation. Remember, headlines today had been getting you all the latest from Speak Asia, had been telling you how this company seems to have dubious operations. It needs to be investigated into the contents, the money flow, the entire structure of Speak Asia, which claims to have head office in Singapore, needs to be examined. Well, Speak Asia also faces charges that some of the companies intended to benefit from its surveys have not even employed it. And we've seen multiple PILs that have been filed requesting investigations into this company. We're now joined by Virendra Singh Gunawat, who joins us from Mumbai for latest on this story. Virendra, what are the charges against the COO under which he's been arrested?
It is believed that they will arrest in the afternoon because he has been the people that he just landed at Mumbai domestic airport, and the Mumbai police were with them. He will be taken to the CP office, the crime branch office, and it is believed that during the afternoon he would be shown as arrested, because technically he is arrested in Indore and he has to be presented at Indore court and not in Mumbai. So now they will show up in Mumbai and then he will produce in Mumbai. It is not been clear like what are the charges right now, because the investigation is still going on. And then let me also tell you that the suspicious is that the money laundering matter has been filed by Kirit Somaiya, the politician. But at the same time, after filing the complaint, the Mumbai police started the investigation, and yesterday night at 2 o'clock, he was picked up with 4 other persons from Bombay. So total 5 persons has been detained right now, and they might be showing arrest in the afternoon.
All right, Virendra, just stay on with us. Let's listen into what the COO who's been arrested, Tarak Bajpai, what did he have to say just a little while back?
हमने अचीव किया इस महीने, 1 साल में सिर्फ 2 लाख लोग मिलके अगर 5,000 करोड़ आप कह रहे तो आप सही कह रहे कर सकते हैं, तो उसके अलावा हम रोज 30 या 35,000 की स्पीड से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. इस साल के अंत में हम 1 करोड़ टच करेंगे. अब आप अंदाजा लगाइए आप क्या ताकत बन गए. हमने एक ऐसी दुनिया बनाई है जहां पर संभावनाएं असीमित है.
Virendra Singh Gunawat is still on the line with us. Virendra, we've just heard 2 days back the bank accounts were also frozen. What immediate impact is it going to have, if at all, on the investors who've invested so much of money? How the money flow that's being directed to them is going to be affected?
Definitely, it will affect the Speak Asians. Around 19 lakh investors from India, they have invested in Speak Asia with the belief that the money would be multiplied 5 times and more than that, in fact, which is totally violating RBI rules and regulation. And that's the reason there was a lot of hue and cry, and even the Speak Asians still believe that the format and the model of Speak Asia is still right, because at the airport we saw at least 20 to 30 Speak Asians supporting while Tarak Bajpai was taken by Mumbai police. So definitely it will have a psychological effect on the Speak Asians. But on the ground, the Mumbai police and even the enforcement directorate are investigating this matter to check whether this company, because who has created number of companies in India and collected crores of amounts and then transferred it to a Singapore-based company violating all the RBI's rules and regulations. So definitely a money laundering case might be filed as by Mumbai police very soon, and they are investigating all the details. So it's very too early to give the specifics like what are the charges right now and what they have found in the entire investigation.
All right, Virendra, we'll leave it there for the time being. Many thanks for joining us.